plain and simple. Well, I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence. Thank you. And nobody can hang with my stuff. Just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about?
Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everyone? We're here at City Alignment once again, getting some spark plugs done. Shout out, bro.
16 spark plugs.
16 spark plugs, 2 per cylinder. Got some NGK laser iridium. It's supposed to be better than OEM, so we'll see. I just hit 50,000 miles, so it's definitely time for some spark plug change. Got the big old fan trying to cool it down. So hot, it's probably like 95, almost 100 degrees outside. And I was just running the GTR, so the motor's pretty hot. Not the best time to do it. Not the best time to change spark plugs. Got 1 out, 7 more to go. So yeah, 16 spark plugs, 2 per coil pack. Almost got them out. Still cooling it down because it's way too hot. Pulling the plugs out now. This one is definitely bad. So we got 2 out so far, and they're both dead. They're both dead. They're hot too, so I'm gonna put them back. So yeah, it was basically running on 7 cylinders, which is not good. So hopefully my car will feel a whole lot better once we get this replaced. New versus old. First new one going in. Last coil packs going in. Shout out Louis. Shout out Cisco. This side's all done. 1 more side to go. It's got the new spark plugs in, everything buttoned up. Now let's start this thing. Very nice, very nice. So we got the spark plugs installed. Took a couple hours because it's a pain, but got it done. Car feels a lot better now. I could feel it was a little sluggish before we put the new spark plugs on, so I'm glad I did this. I just hit 50,000 miles, so it was needed. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, thumbs up, hit the bell, all that stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video.